So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. Now this will show us all the applications that start up automatically when our computer turns on. So in my case, when my computer turns on, Microsoft Edge automatically starts up. I don't want it to do that, so I'm going to turn it off. You want to turn off all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on services. Now you want to select hide all Microsoft services. Now you want to click on disable all. And then click on OK. You want to click on exit without restart. For the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to delete all the applications that you don't use. So just scroll down through this list. If you see any applications that you don't use, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. And now once you complete all of this, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.